Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here and welcome back to my channel and we are doing another unboxing na isang smartphone from Samsung Philippines. Ito yung maganda dito sa Galaxy A07. No? I've tried the A06 from their model last year and I'm very surprised. Napakaganda ng Galaxy A06. Nakapag-gaming pa nga ako eh. It's a much more, kumbaga yung price range niya is very, magaan sa bulsa. Talagang, it's a good alternative, no? Kung wala kayong budget to get the, like for example, the Samsung Galaxy S24, for example, or S25, for example, eto mga ganitong mga model, no? Galaxy A07, talagang okay na dahil they upgraded the durability of this phone at meron siyang 6 years na OS update. And also, pinakamaganda rito is yung kanyang security. It's very reliable. Mas maganda yung security niya. So, before I unbox this awesome phone from Samsung Philippines, this is the Galaxy A07. Dahil na-amaze ako sa A06, I'm very excited to try and use the A07. So, the camera, yung A06 guys, the camera is good. Okay siya. Para feeling ko naka A56 ako or A55. But much more on, kumbaga, price niya is very much lower. Kumbaga, it's affordable. So, eto na, unbox na natin si Galaxy A07. So, eto na, magawa muna tayo ng tech specs rundown and explore natin yung features ng phone na ito from Samsung Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Alright, ito na yung tech specs ni Samsung Galaxy A07. For the display, meron siyang 6.7 inches na PLS LCD display at meron siyang resolution na 720 by 1600 na HD+, at kanyang color depth is 16 millions of colors, at meron siyang 90 Hz refresh rate. So, yung kanyang display tech specs. For the body naman niya, yung body specs niya is 184 grams for the weight. Magaan-gaan siya. At 167.4 yung kanyang height. At 77.4 yung kanyang width. So that's the inches, no? At millimeter. And the 7.6 millimeter dimension or thickness. So medyo manipis siya, 7.6 dimension on kanyang thickness. Ang pinakamaganda dito kanyang body, no, meron siyang IP54 dust and water protection. So maalikabukan siya, malagyan ng buhangin, okay siya. Mawisi ka ng tubig, ulan, or tampisaw sa lababo, sa swimming pool, or sa ilog, for example, okay siya. Huwag nyo sa submerge. This is for splash proof lang siya. At ang kanyang back cover ng phone na ito is gumagamit siya ng glass fiber reinforced polymer. So, to add more protection dun sa phone for any fault or any scratches, no? So, at least meron siyang protection for that. For the CPU ni Galaxy A07, yung CPU niya is gumagamit siya ng MediaTek G99. Meron siyang 2.2 GHz at 2 GHz. This is a 6nm processes at ito ay isang octa-core. So, mabilis-bilis din yung phone. Okay na rin din siya. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng Android. No? Android yung kanyang OS. At for the memory, no, tatlong variant yung kanyang memory. No? Isang 4GB plus 64GB of storage. Isang 4GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage. At minsan naman is 8GB plus 256GB of storage. Mas maganda kunin yung 256 to para at least malaki-laki yung inyong storage at saka RAM. For the camera, for the rear camera niya, gumagamit siya ng dual camera. 50 megapixel na may 1.8 aperture tsaka 2.0 megapixel. So, dalawa siya. Meron siyang autofocus. Wala siyang OIS. Yun lang. Wala siyang OIS. But meron siyang digital zoom na up to 10x. Meron siyang flash. Video recording is up to 1080p 30 fps. Okay na rin din. At meron siyang 120 FPS HD slow motion feature sa kanyang video. So that's the specs for the rear camera. And for the front camera ni Galaxy A07, ang kanyang front camera is 8.0 na megapixel, 8 megapixel na f2 ang kanyang aperture. No autofocus siya sa front at wala din siyang OIS. Wala din siyang flash sa front camera but it can record up to 1080p 30 fps. For the battery specs ni Galaxy A07, gumagamit siya ng 5,000 mAh of battery. Okay siya. Malaki yung battery storage niya, no? Na meron 25 watts na fast charging feature. Ayun, okay to. So, I guess for this, ewan ko lang kung meron kasama tong charger, no? Feeling ko wala. For the other specs, the Galaxy A07, this is 4G ready. This is a 4G phone or LTE phone. Dual nano SIM siya plus micro SD slot, which is kailangan natin yung micro SD slot. For the Wi-Fi, ang specs ng Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz at saka 5 GHz. Bluetooth 5.3. Gumagamit siyang USB-C port. USB-C port yung kanyang ginagamit. Ear jack niya is 3.5mm. Uy, meron siyang 3.5mm. Pwede kayong mag-wired connection. At meron siyang Smart Switch PC version. Samsung Knox Vault for security. Meron siyang theft protection. Theft protection parang you can auto. Kumbaga, pwede mong i-remote control yung phone nyo pag nawala para hindi nila ma-access yung phone. At meron siyang auto blocker na which is yung mga apps hindi sila mag-i-install automatically, no? So ino-auto block ni Galaxy A07. At meron siyang software support and security update period valid until August 31, 2031. Wow, ang tagal, 2031. So at least mga 6 years yung kanyang OS update. For the body color ni Galaxy A07, dalawang color lang siya. Light violet tsaka black color. And I got the black color na may 8GB of RAM at 256GB of storage. Okay ito For the SRP ni Galaxy A07, yung tatlong variant to, no? 5,290 for the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Yung isa naman, 5,990 for the 4GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage. At yung nasa akin, nadala ko ngayon, this is 9,990 for the 8GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. So, meron silang promo until December 31, 2025. Meron silang 30% off on selected Galaxy wearables, 30% off 1 year of Samsung Care Plus, 0% installment plan with Home Credit or Samsung Finance Plus, additional 1,000 through Home Credit, and up to 1,000 off through trade-in discounts at may kasama siyang free travel adapter. So check it out nyo kung mga Samsung Philippines stores or also sa Samsung Philippines website, no, yung online store nila. Check nyo rin din yun. Also sa mga Shopee, Lazada, official Samsung, check nyo yung pricing and also their promos. Ayun. So, alright, so na-discuss na natin yung tech specs ni Galaxy A07. And for the good part, let's do the unboxing right now at i-test na natin to. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so here's the Galaxy A07 from Samsung Philippines. So mukha siyang A06, no? Yung likod niya mukha siyang A06, but the back is much more better. Mas maganda siya compared sa A06. Kaya yung A07, mas maganda na yung likod niya. Hindi siya mukhang plastic, no? Ito yung kanyang rear camera. That's the 50 megapixel tsaka 2 megapixel na dual rear camera, at yung front camera is the 8 megapixel. So ayan siya. So ito yung itsura ng body niya. So sa ibabaw there's a pinhole here. I guess it's a microphone. Sa left side is a SIM tray. Ayan. Sa ilalim it's the 3.5mm ear jack. May pinhole microphone, USB Type-C, speaker grill dito. At sa right side it's the power button tsaka yung fingerprint scanner at saka yung volume control niya. So eto siya. So check natin yung SIM tray, no. Let's use the yung libreng SIM tray pin para ma-eject natin. Check natin yung kanyang tray. Uy, ang galing! Grabe, ang galing. Ang galing ng ginawa nila rito. So, galing ng ginawa nila. Ito yung pinakang gusto ko sa mga smartphones, eh. So, tama itong ginawa ni Samsung for their Galaxy A07. So, meron siyang dual nano SIM siya at meron siyang micro SD slot to expand your storage. So, pwede kayong mag-expand up to 1 terabyte. So, malaking file yun, no? To hold everything, files, videos, photos, or mga gaming files nyo. So, balikan natin yan. So, ang ganda ng ginawa nila doon. Ang ganda yung ginawa nila doon. So, i-operate na natin to. And this is the phone. On na natin. So, ito na yung phone. Pero siyang i-unlock. Wala pa pala ako facial recognition. So, meron pa lang ako dito is yung fingerprint tsaka pin. Ayan. Ayan. Fingerprint doesn't match daw. Ayun, okay na. Isa pa. Hindi ko kasi na-IDin yung finger ko eh. So, on na natin to, no? Ayun, okay na. And I forgot to put the facial recognition. So, punta tayo sa settings. Where's the settings? Atin yung ating fingerprint, yung facial recognition. Saan ko hahanapin? Security and privacy. Ayan. Screen. Ayan, screen lock. So, yung aking 6 digital code lang muna tayong pin, password, pattern, swipe, at ito sa facial recognition. So continue natin to, at ito na yung itsura ko. I-scan ko na. No face detected. Ano sa? Bakit no face detected? Sa pa kailangan maggagalaw. No face detected. Ano yun? Ba't ganun? Gawa siguro ng ilaw. Okay na. Yun. So, okay na. Meron na tayong facial data. At meron siyang pin, password. Pag-pattern ba? Pag-pattern, ganun. Okay, hindi kasi ako gumagamit yan. Pag-password high security, it's at least 4 characters including 1 letter. Yung ano pala, medyo mataas yung security nito. Sa swipe naman, it's much more iba yung style niya. So, I guess okay na ako. Pin code, facial recognition, and also the facial, tsaka fingerprint. So, subukan natin yung, ayun, okay, mas mabilis sa face. Pag sa face, it's much more faster. Tingin ka lang, makikita mo mag-unlock at ano lang, browse up. Gawatan ng ilaw kaya hindi nila ako makita eh. Sapa. Face doesn't match kasi gawa ng ilaw ko. Ayun, okay na. Mabilis naman din siya. Alright, so yung kanyang parang it feels like Galaxy A06 much more better. Yun yung masasabi ko, no? Kasi ang bilis ng kanyang response. So let's try to watch YouTube at para ma-check natin kung gaano siya kabilis. So let's go to my YouTube channel. Automatic na to pag naka-login tayo. So for example, at least naka Samsung Sound Tower tayo na video at merong ads. Cut na muna natin to. Okay, tapos na yung ad.
Check everybody, Azrael here and we are back.
Malakas yung speaker niya.
I-unbox natin tong Samsung.
So yung speaker niya dito lang ang gagaling.
MX SD50F.
Okay, malinaw. Okay siya yung for the video. Okay na rin din siya. Malinaw.
Meron silang Dance Revo contest. At
ayan. So okay siya. Okay for the video. At for scrolling, let's go to my website. This is the browser, no? Samsung Internet. Let's go to my website, Azrael's. browsing my website. So, okay siya. Very fast and also readable. Mabilis mag-load ang aking website. Wow. So, I'm using syempre naka-wifi tayo sa bahay, so mabilis talaga yan. Okay siya for reading articles, for example. So, approve siya. Let's check the camera. So, the camera niya, wala siyang wide angle lens. So, meron lang siyang 1x tsaka 2x for the rear camera. 4x hanggang 10x siya. Up to 10x lang talaga, So, paano yan? Wala kayong wide angle, So, ginagawa ko, I go to more at I just use the panorama to create a much more wider view. For example, ito yung 1x. That's 1x lang talaga. 1x lang talaga yan. So, kung gusto kong mas wide, I'll go to panorama and I'll go here. So, magkikreate siya ng much more wider na angle. So, ito yung, medyo wide na siya, So, ganyan lang yung style niya pagka wala kayong wide angle. Kasi dati parang problema ko pag walang wide angle, napapanghitan na ako. Pero okay naman din pala. So, there's portrait mode, photo. Sa video niya, there's 1x, 2x, hanggang 10x din yung kanyang video zoom. At you can go to FHD 30 fps, so that's 1080p 30 fps, yun lang yung pinakang maximum niya, or lowest niya is 720. For more, there's the pro version, night mode, food, photography, panorama, slow motion, tsaka hyperlapse. Yun lang yung pinaka-importanting thing na ito yung pro mode niya. So pwede kayong gumamit nito kung gusto yung mag-control ng other like for example the ISO, the shutter, the exposure level, mag-manual focusing kayo. So, yung white balance, for example. So, test natin yung camera, I'll get a figure here, for example. Ito, medyo maliit na character ito from the Transformers. Blokis. Ayan, picturean natin siya. This is 1x. Zoom natin ng konti for 2x. Konting focusing. Ayan. Focus natin sa mukha. At mas maganda pag ganito pala. Uy, ang ganda, grabe. 2x to 2x. Ayan. So, ito yung sample photo natin. If you're doing photography for toys, okay na rin din siya. Galing. For selfie, I forgot to show you the selfie. Ito yung selfie niya. Okay, let's go to photo muna. And selfie is here. Selfie is may parang 1x, as meron siyang wide angle for the selfie. This is the wide angle for Groovy. Uy, galing. Maganda yung front camera niya. It's very fast. Very fast. Ang ganda ng click niya. Ang bilis. Picture. Ang bilis, walang lag. Ang ganda. At for the quality of the picture is medyo okay lang. Kasi 8 megapixel yung kanyang front camera. So, ganito lang yung nakayanan niya. Which is very okay na rin din. Okay na rin din siya. For video, ganun din. Test mic, test check. 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 Ayan. Playback natin.
Test mic, test check. Test mic, test check. Test mic, test check.
Okay naman yung microphone niya. Very crisp.
Mic, test check. Test mic, test check. Test mic, test check.
And take note, wala tong stabilization. Wala siyang stabilization. So, eto, we're shooting this Blokis Transformers. Uy, okay naman pala yung zoom niya. Uy, okay naman yung zoom niya for the video. Uy, wow! Close up na to, This is 5x. Uy, ganda, grabe. Very, very close up, 10x na medyo grainy na siya. Pero, bandang 4x is very good. Oh my gosh. Ganda. So nga lang, wala lang siyang stabilization. Pero grabe pang toy photography, video po, toy photography, okay pala to, So, play natin to. Ito yung quality niya.
Blokis Transform.
Oops.
We're shooting this. Blokis
Okay siya,
Okay naman pala yung zoom niya. Okay naman yung zoom niya for the video. Uy, wow! Close up na to.
The audio is also nice,
This is 5x. Uy, ganda, grabe. Very, very close up,
Galing. Medyo grainy na.
Siya, pero
Galing. Grabe. Very impressed na ako, kung napawaw nila ako sa AO6, AO7, napawaw ako lalo, Parang kahit ganito siya, around 9,000 pesos, makakabili na kayo ng ganitong Samsung na talagang value for money, on the budget siya, and much better kung hahanap kayo ng ibang phone, no? Na, for example, extra phone, for example, for your kids, for your aunties, gamit nyo for business, or extra phone lang kung may pag-iiwanan kayo ng gamit sa bahay, nagagamit, to gawin nyo na tong parang your own home phone, no? O, di ba? Pwede na din siya. Or pwede siya pang business din, pang school, pang work. And also, it's a good extra phone, no? Ganda. Na-miss ko tuloy yung aking Samsung A53, no? Nag-started with the A53, eh. So na-miss ko na siya. Parang I feel holding it na ganito. Pero much more, mas affordable siya. Tsaka yung mas better na, kasi mas upgraded na nga daw siya. Kasi it has a 6 years security and OS update. At tsaka yung kanyang durability, it's much more upgradable. So there's a dust and water resistant siya na feature, and also yung kanyang security, yung Samsung Knox niya, it's much more better. Mahigpit na yung security. Kaya nakita mo sa settings kanina, no, para naka-on yung auto blocker natin, at ito siya, security and privacy. Ayan. So nakalagay dito yung auto blocker, for example, your phone is protected, nakalagay na rin dyan. More security settings, sa makikita mo dito, the block USB connection while locked. So madaming ang ganda na. Also, nilagin ko na rin yung aking account sa Samsung account, para if ever mawala tong phone ko, I can, it. We're doing a vlog test. Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. We're doing a vlog test using the Samsung Galaxy A07 smartphone from Samsung Philippines. So I'm shooting with the front camera. And this is the rear camera. Nakakapag-switch ako ng camera niya while recording, which is okay na okay din kay Samsung. Ito yung gusto kong feature niya, lalo na dito sa Galaxy A07. So we're here sa LRT Dr. Santos Station. So dito tayo ngayon sa kanilang Metro Hub Cafe. So tambay-tambay lang tayo. So we're doing a test of the video. So yun. Another vlog test using the Galaxy A07. So labas tayo ngayon. I'm vlogging using the front camera. So ayan. Wala siya stabilization, no? And here's the rear camera. Kita-kita ko na sa rear camera na wala siya stabilization. So lalo na pag ganito. Okay lang for video. Alas na video. Shaking nga lang. Oh, yun. So, ayun, that's it for our vlog for today. Thank you so much Samsung Philippines for this. Ang ganda ng ng feature natin ngayon, Samsung A07, and this is now available in the market. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, kita-kits tayo sa next video.